This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, make sure you're still subscribed to the channel. Make sure your notifications are on. And if you hit that like button, double check it's working properly, because these bad actors are working overtime to suppress the channel, because they're terrified of more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Guys, listen. We all know that there's overwhelming fraud and corruption in the United States stock market, and that fraud and corruption is slowly taking over the crypto market as well. And when you have all these XRP ETFs, these bad actors are going to do the same thing they've been doing with stocks. They're going to start doing it with the crypto ETFs, okay? And there's no doubt in my mind about that. They're going to be spoofing. They're going to be washing. They're going to be creating naked short positions on these XRP spot ETFs. They're going to be doing everything they've been doing in the stock market to regular stocks. They're going to be doing it to the XRP spot ETFs, because they want to shake retail investors out of the play. But like I tell you guys all the time, I believe, and this is just my opinion, that once you get a lot of institutional money coming in, the 1%'ers money at risk, a lot of the fraud and corruption is going to stop, because the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI pays attention to fraud and corruption when it costs the 1%'ers money. But here's the thing. Trump keeps pardoning these big criminals, okay? These bad actors that are naked shorting, insider trading, and engaging in all kind of malfeasance in the United States stock market, they believe they have a Trump card. Trump just pardoned Joe Lewis. This guy pled guilty to insider trading, giving information to friends and family so they could make money in the market. And Trump gave him a pardon. Trump gave CZ a pardon. Guys, if bad actors, especially really rich bad actors, know that if they get caught robbing and stealing from retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules, if they know, if they get caught, if they get caught, they can go to Trump and get a pardon. Do you think that acts as a deterrent to bad behavior? Do you think that stops future bad actors from engaging in questionable or criminal activity? Of course not. In my opinion, and I'm going to get bad comments for this, in my opinion, Trump pardoning all these people, especially financial crimes that cost retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules probably trillions of dollars, this emboldens other bad actors. This makes people who were thinking about breaking the law, it makes them break the law, because they feel they have a get out of jail free card in their pocket. If I rob and steal from retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules, and somehow they catch me, because you know the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI, they don't do real investigations when the victims are retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. The only time we see real investigations is if the 1%ers are losing money because of fraud and corruption. But if these elite individuals know that no matter what happens, they can knock on Trump's door for a pardon, in my opinion, this makes the stock market less secure. It makes the stock market more dangerous. It makes the stock market a cesspool for fraud and corruption. Okay? There's no doubt in my mind about that. Trump shouldn't be handing out pardons like it's candy on Halloween, because all it's going to do is embolden bad actors to steal more from retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. Do you guys think that Donald Trump should have pardoned billionaire Joe Lewis, who pleaded guilty to insider trading and turning over information to friends and families so they can make money? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.